Okay, now we will start how to create table or insert table in Google Docs. This is Google Docs, and we will start from the beginning how to open Google Docs. You have to just type docs.google.com on your Chrome browser. Then choose any blank document. To start a new project, always choose what? Blank document. Then we will insert a table of column 4 column and 7 rows. We will go to insert, then table, then we will choose 4 column and let us take 7 rows. Okay, in this way you can insert your table. Then we will write sports week winner, sports week winners. Okay, come. Then here we will write, first we will write everything, then we will start the formatting. Okay, prize, own, photo, Anjali, long jump, first prize. Here we will insert a long jump photo. Next, Rohan, carom, second prize. Riya, 100. See, second prize is already there, so I will select it and go to edit and choose Ctrl C or copy. Okay, then I will go to again edit and paste. I am always using what? Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Okay, Vikram, then Raj, okay. Now we will insert the pictures. We will click here and go to insert image and search the web. Here the search box, and we will search long jump, then press enter. Always write long jump clip art. Suppose I am going to insert this picture. Sometimes you will not be able to insert pictures because few pictures are copyrighted. So again you will try insert image, search from the web. Okay, now we will insert carom. So click here, copy the word carom, Control C for copy, or you can use edit, copy it from here and go to insert, then image, search from the web, select these things and paste, Control V, then press enter. Select and insert, again insert. Okay, first click here, otherwise this picture is coming and in this second cell. Click here, then go to insert, image, search from the web. Okay, I will tell you another way. Let us go to Google. Okay, Carom, press enter, go to image, choose your picture. Suppose I want to keep this picture, select, then right click here and use save image as. Use save image as. Always remember it should be JPEG type, JPEG, PNG or JPG type. Other format, no need to keep the other format. So this is WebP format. We don't need WebP format. We will try another picture. Let us see. Save image as. This is also WebP. So let us choose this picture. Save image as. This is JPEG. Okay. So keep only JPEG pictures. So desktop, type Carom and save. Now I will insert it from my my Google Docs. Click in the Google Docs where you want to keep your picture and go to insert. This time you are not going to use search the web. You will use first option, upload from your computer. Upload from computer, so that your local memory will get displayed, and we will go to desktop and we have a file named Carom. Okay, 100-meter race. I am not going to use web picture because people are not able to download web picture from. So choose your picture from this place and select your picture, right click, save image as. Always ensure it should be JPEG type. Then save the name, then click here, then go to insert, image, upload from, then choose desktop. Okay, so in this way you can complete your table. Now let us come to the formatting. We want sports week winner should be center aligned. How to make center aligned? Click on the more button, and the first tool is align and indent. Click on the align and indent, then this the second option is your center align. Okay, second option is center align, and then we have to select it again and change the color. Change the color to red. Also we have to make it italic. Italic भी बनाना है उसको. थोड़ा सा साइज बड़ा कर लेते हैं, अच्छा लगेगा. Then make it underline. Next is name. डबल क्लिक करो और कलर चेंज करना है. Change the color. Event, change the color. You can use formatting. Suppose हम लोग थोड़ा इसको larger कर लेते हैं. Now I want to apply the same formatting on price zone and photo. I will use paint roller, paint format. I will use what? Paint format. Just double click. I have to apply paint format 2 times, price zone and photo. Let us select the formatting you want to copy. Select the text formatting. इसको सिलेक्ट करो और इसके बाद इसके ऊपर डबल क्लिक, आप डबल क्लिक, देन ब्रश, वेयर यू वांट टू अप्लाई द फॉर्मेटिंग, जस्ट ब्रश, बन गया. डोंट नीड टू गो टू चूज एनी कलर साइज. ओके, किसी एक को रेडी करो, कॉपी करो फॉर्मेटिंग. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट इज now cancel the paint format because we have used double click, so it is not yet cancelled. So again click here to cancel. आपको cancel करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो काम नहीं करेगा. Okay, now Anjali, select this column. Now you have to make it center align. Click here, align, center align. Same here also you have to event, apply center align. Shortcut is Control Shift E. Control Shift E. Control Shift E. Okay. Next we have to increase the border of the table. So choose the entire table. Select the entire table. Table is selected. Okay. How to dark, make the border, go to table option, then here is your table, sorry, color, just increase the border size 1.5. already color is black, if you want to increase 2.5. okay, again I will show you. Just click on the three dots more. How to increase the border width? Border width कैसे increase करना है? First select the table. Table को आपको select कर लेना है. Then click the three dot. Then table option. Then go to, this is table border. Last option is not last, second from the last. This is table border. You can choose any color for the your table border, and this is the point menu where you will choose the proper size. Okay, so this is all about how to insert a table. So today you will practice it in the lab. Also I will send the video, so you watch again and again and prepare for your skill test.